be talking about the hidden features on your new BMW. So come on over, check us out. Okay guys, so today we're going to be talking about the hidden features in your new BMW. One of them is using the touchpad, which is right above your knob, when you right above your iDrive knob. To use that, we're going to be using navigation as your example. You can either use obviously touch screen to access your navigation, or you can just highlight and click down the knob. Then you're going to go under where to. When you're on this screen, you can use your knob, scroll up and down, highlight and click down to enter your address. But did you also know you can use the touchpad right above your knob? That's what I'm doing right now. And enter the address. But keep in mind, you can do only one letter or one number at a time.
B.
Which is very convenient. And you can delete it.
Delete.
There you go.
Delete.
Now, if you don't like that feature, and it comes, it keeps being on the way of you entering the address in your new BMW. If it keeps bothering you a lot, you can absolutely deactivate that. You would go under the car, then you would go under settings, general settings, and then you would highlight touchpad, and you would just uncheck all of those boxes, and that would deactivate your touchpad option. I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you next time on Hidden Features. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video.